Hello, let us solve quadratic inequalities. So first I have written one question here. 2x plus 3, x minus 2 is less than 0. We have to solve this quadratic inequality. So what I will be doing is I will be first finding out the x-intercept. Since this is quadratic inequality, so we can do it by plotting the graph. And quadratic means the graph would be parabola. So here we already have the equation in factorized form. So I can say that x is equal to negative 3 by 2 from here. And from here I can say x is equal to 2. These are what? These are my x-intercepts. So I got my two x-intercepts. Now I have to find out my y-intercept. For that I will be multiplying these two parentheses and I will be writing the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So let us do it. 2x plus x is 2x square. Then I will be doing 2x times negative 2, which would give me negative 4x. Then plus 3 times x would give me plus 3x. Then plus 3 times negative 2 would give me negative 6 less than 0. So further simplifying, I will be getting 2x square minus 4x plus 3x would give me minus 6 less than 0. So what is our y-intercept? Our y-intercept is this, negative 6. This is our y-intercept. Now what next we will need? We will need the vertex of this. So for vertex we have to write it in by completing the square method. So completing the square method, so we have to take 2 common. So I will say my equation, see this one I will rearrange. So I will write 2 as common. So I am left with x square minus 1 by 2x and minus 3 less than 0. Now in the parenthesis I have to do that completing the square thing. Fine, let us do it. So this is x square minus 1 by 2x. So coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So what do? We half the coefficient of x. So half of half is what? 1 by 4. So we have to add 1 by 4 square and subtract also 1 by 4 square and minus 3. This is the step we do. So now this thing can be written as what? This thing can be written as x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Let us write the square bracket now. And here this thing is what? 4 4s are 16. When you solve this, 4 4s are 16. 16 times 3 is 48. Negative 48 and negative 1 would give me negative 49 over 16 less than 0. So now further writing, this would become 2 times of x minus 1 by 4 whole square and minus 49 times 2 over 16 less than 0. So I can say my parabola is this, 2 times x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 49 by 8. So let us write in decimals. So it is x minus 0.25 whole square and minus this is what? 8 6s are 48. So 1 0, so 1 2 5. Okay, so my vertex is what? Yes, my vertex is 0.25 6.125, negative 6.125. This is my vertex. Remember, this is the equation in the form of this y equals a times x minus h whole square plus k. So our vertex is given by hk. So this is how I got my vertex of the given parabola. Now let us plot it. Okay, so our lot of task is already done. We have to simply now plot our graph. Since my vertex is negative 6.125, so I will draw little on the negative side. Okay, let us draw and see. Okay, done. Now quickly plot it. So this is 0 1 2 3 negative 1 negative 2 Then what I can do here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -6.2125. So like this. I think this vertical line is not exactly on the line. We should redraw it. We should redraw this vertical line. Let us do it quickly. It will hardly take few seconds. Yeah, let us redraw. It should be exact. Here it is. Yeah, now it is perfect. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is -6 and this is -7. So -6.125 would be somewhere here, I can say. So and -1 is here, so 0.25 would be like just here. So -6.125 would be this point. I can plot it by red, right? Must be here. This is our vertex. It should be like very close to this, very close to this. Yeah. And y-intercept, where is our y-intercept? -6. Y-intercept is here, again very close. And then our x-intercepts are what? -3/2, which is -1.5. So our x-intercept is here and one x-intercept is at 2. Now let us join them. So our graph is like this. It is going like this. Okay, this is our graph. Now our inequality is what? This is 2x plus 3 times x minus 2 less than 0. So where it is less than 0? Yes, it is less than 0 from this -1.5 to -1.5 to let us write here. This is from -1.5 to 2. It is less than 0 because above though it is greater than 0. Y value is greater than 0 above. Let us write this also, right? Because above this x-axis our y values would be positive. Only y values are negative where? Below the x-axis. And below the x-axis area is what? It is this area. Correct? So our required area is this, and that is ranging from -1.4, that is x is greater than, you can say the solution would be written as what? X is greater than -1.5 and x is less than 2. Because when x is greater than 2, our y values are becoming positive. When x is less than -1.5, if you go further on left hand side of the x-axis, then our y values would become positive. So this becomes the solution of our this particular inequality. Hope you understood. We will be solving few more inequalities in our next video. Keep practicing. All the best. Bye bye.